States of Matter Related to Space by
Aditi M,
Saanvi M,
and Asha Champion.
Overview. What is electromagnetic radiation and what role it plays in space phenomena? How is electromagnetic radiation produced in space? And what career helps study these interesting aspects of space?
The visible universe. The ordinary matter makes up only 5% of the universe. The rest is dark matter and dark energy. But what is the most common matter in space?
States of Matter Related to Space. Out of the 4 states of matter, plasma is the state which is very rare on Earth and is most common in space. Plasma can create magnetic fields, electric currents, and also responds very strongly to forces caused by electromagnetism.
The electromagnetic force is the force exerted by charged particles on one another. It helps in the formation of matter. It's responsible for generating light and radiation. A changing magnetic field will activate a changing electric field, and these fields form electromagnetic waves. These waves exert electromagnetic force.
As electrons and protons dart around colliding into each other in light, the electromagnetic force makes photons of all wavelengths across the electromagnetic spectrum. What are photons and what is the electromagnetic spectrum?
Photon, a particle symbolizing a quantum of light or a quantum of electromagnetic radiation.
Electromagnetic waves allow transfer of energy and information. This energy is called electromagnetic radiation. The electromagnetic spectrum is the name given to the collection of all electromagnetic radiation in the universe, and this is the basis on which our universe exists. Astronomers understand the space by studying electromagnetic waves given off by objects in space. High-frequency waves with low wavelengths are ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. They do not reach Earth's atmosphere and must therefore be observed from space. Low-frequency waves with high wavelength are radio, micro, infrared, and invisible light. Some waves are absorbed by water and thus are best observed from high altitudes.
Phenomena in space related to electromagnetic waves. Ultraviolet light can show us the glow of stars and also reveals the properties of pulsars. X-rays allow us to study black holes. Gamma rays come from colliding neutron stars and pulsars.
Neutron matter. A neutron star is the collapsed core of a massive supergiant star. This collapse leaves behind the most dense object known. Some of them emit electromagnetic radiation, gamma rays, that make them detectable as pulsars.
Pulsar. Pulsar means pulsating star, a star that emits very intense electromagnetic radiation at short and regular intervals related to their rotation. The source of emissions could be traveling faster than the speed of light.
Black holes. Black holes form from the gravitational collapse of a gigantic star and nothing can escape, not even light, hence the name of the object. The distance between particles decreases and density and gravity increases. You need to have understanding of physics to study this phenomena. This is where astrophysicists help.
Quasar. Arise when a large black hole located at the nucleus of a galaxy absorbs all of the matter in its vicinity. When this happens, a large amount of the energy is produced that is released into the form of EM radiation. To study these interesting phenomena, I want to become an astrophysicist.
Astrophysicist. They use principles of physics and chemistry to study, research, and analyze astronomical objects and phenomena. For anyone to achieve this, they have to start working very early.
Your career starts in high school, where you take math and science classes. Later, you will gain a Master's of Science and PhD in astrophysics. At the end of your journey, you can take steps to join a research fellowship and then apply for jobs. They have such an interesting career in studying states of matter in space and their effects in the known universe.
This is a bibliography.
Thanks for watching.